viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We are in pause MACD. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we have approached to pause MACD and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in pause MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge, and we're right back at overbought levels with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $12.49, my sell target for it is at $13.12, and my stop loss is at $12.29. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $13.33, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $12.70, and my stop loss is at $13.54. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 38% chance to climb between 0 to 3.2%, a 13% chance to climb between 3.2 to 6.4%, to the downside has a 25% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.2%, and another 25% chance to fall between negative 3.2 to negative 6.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.